ওয়েলকাম ভিউয়ার্স, রশ্মিজের ইউটিউব পেজে সবাইকে স্বাগত। আজ শুভ রথযাত্রা। Wishing you all a very happy রথযাত্রা. Today I'm going to show you all Tasar sarees. So let's start. Saree number 1, Zari border Tasar. This is pallu part. This is pallu part, Zari border Tasar. It's a pastel shade. It's very difficult to explain the color. It's a combination of lavender and onion pink. Just see the color combination. It's very pretty, very pretty. Bishon onnorakom color. For booking, please take a screenshot or mention the saree number. This is saree number 1. Zari border Tasar along with a blouse piece, silk mark certified. Original price is 5350, but for Rath Jatra you will get 5% flat discount on all the sarees from today's episode. All the sarees you will get 5% flat discount for Rath Jatra. See, this is saree number 1 and here is the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece, Zari border Tasar, saree number 1. Moving to saree number 2, another very pretty saree, black and white combination. Black and white combination, just check the saree. It's an absolutely new design. Just check the saree. I will show you. See all the blocks. This is saree number 2. Price is same, 5350 with silk mark certification, and on which you will get a 5% flat discount. You will get 5% flat discount for Rath Jatra on all the sarees of today's episode. This is saree number 2. For booking, take a screenshot. Booking number is 9330866384. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay. Here is the blouse piece. The color of the blouse piece is black. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sarees through courier. You can take the facility of COD also. Now I am offering you COD facility all over India. See, saree number 3. This is saree number 3, pallu part, and here is the body. The body is on the virgin color with peach color floral motifs. It's very elegant looking saree. Price remains same, 5350, and you will get a 5% flat discount on all the sarees. Here is the blouse piece. This is the color of the blouse piece. All the sarees are with silk mark certification and the price is 5350 less 5%. Now moving to saree number 4. This is red and black combination. Red and black combination. Just see, as the puja is coming, পুজো এসে যাচ্ছে, তাই জন্য সমস্ত ব্রাইট শাড়ি দেখাতে শুরু করলাম। ব্লাউজ আঁচল গেল। This is the body part. Original price is 5350 and you will get 5% flat discount on all the sarees. This is the look of the saree. Body is entirely black and one side border is red, and the blouse piece of this saree is similar to the border. This is the blouse piece. Price remains same, 5350, on which 5% flat discount. Saree number 5, another beautiful saree. This one is black with peach combination, deep peach. This is not red, it is deep peach. Just check it is charcoal black. See, here is the print. Price remains same, 5350, on which you will get 5% flat discount for Rath Jatra. This is the entire look of the saree. I will show you the blouse piece also. This portion, printed portion, is for blouse piece. I will show you. See, this portion is for blouse piece. Price remains same, 5350, on which 5% flat discount. Moving to saree number 6. Today I am going to show you all Tasar sarees, various types of Tasar. So just wish requesting you all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments regarding the quality and the product and the delivery mode, everything. Whatever you feel like you can write. This is another one, very smart one. I will show you the draping view of the sari. Price is same, 5350. 5350 will be the price on which you will get 5% flat discount. This is the entire look of the sari, pallu part, and the blouse piece I will show you. This portion is for blouse piece. Very smart one. Price is same. Now I will show you some different type of tussar. I will show you the draping view, otherwise you cannot understand the sari. These all are tussar. Only the thing which I have done, just see, this portion from aanchal to half sari will be like this. This is the half portion from pallu and the half portion, and the rest half with this type of gun spray technique. Just see the color combination. See the color combination, and the blouse piece will be of the same pattern. Here is the blouse piece. I will show you the sari. Just to get an idea, I will show you with the draping view of the sari. Just see. Just check the look of the sari. This is the entire look of the sari. This portion from pallu to half portion will be of magenta color, and the rest half like this, and the blouse piece will also be like with this gun spray technique. Price is 6150. Price is 6150. These all are gachi tussar and all are with silk mark certification. This is another one. This is another one. See the color combination. Similar pattern, only the color combination is different. It will come in the front part, and the rest half with the gun spray. So many colors has been used for this gun spray. You can wear this sari with the particular blouse, or you can wear it, you can team up with some other colors also, but it will be the entire look. The blouse piece of this sari is also same. This portion will come for the blouse piece like the earlier one, and the price remains same, 6150, and you will get 5% flat discount on the sari. Booking number is 9330866384. Now sari number 9. These all are gachi by gachi tussar, premium quality gachi by gachi tussar. This one is kashish dye. See, just check the sari, check the print and the fall. Sari number 9, kashish print, and the price is 7800. Jara niyechen er age kashish print, please do comment on my YouTube channel. Please do comment regarding the quality of the sari. These all are kashish print, and the price is 7800, on which you will get 5% flat discount for Rath Yatra. See the color combination, see the block, and see the smartness of the sari. Just check. This is the entire look of the sari. Here is the pallu part, and it will be the blouse piece with a self print. It will be the blouse piece with a self print. The price is 7800, on which you will get 5% discount. Now moving to sari number 10, another one, kashish dye. ভীষণ সুন্দর এই শাড়িগুলো। যারা নিয়েছেন, অল আর গাছি বাই গাছি তাসার, যারা এর আগের লটে নিয়েছেন কাশিশ এবং আজরাক, I would request them to please put some comments on my YouTube channel. You people, those who are watching, please subscribe and share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. I will show you all the beautiful sarees. This is another kashish print. Price is 7800, on which you will get 5% flat discount. This is for today only. For Rath Yatra, this is Rath Yatra special episode, that's why I'm giving you 5% discount. And here is the blouse piece. You will get this type of border for the blouse piece. This is another Kashish dye. Now sari number 11. It's such a beautiful combination. Snuff with orange. Snuff with orange, but it is not very bright orange. It's very beautiful one. See the pallu part. This is the pallu part, and the quality of tasar, all are premium quality tasar, gachi by gachi. যারা হাতে নেবেন তাহারই বুঝতে পারবেন, অনেকেই নিয়ে নিয়েছেন এর মধ্যে, তাদেরকে বলছি একটু কমেন্ট করবেন. Please do comment regarding the quality of the tasar. Just see, this is the entire look. Price is 7800, on which you will get 5% flat discount. Shipping is free all over India. Now you will get the COD facility all over India also. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. Booking number is 9330866384. Here is the blouse piece. In this blouse piece also you will get a self print. I will show you in this way. It will be easier to understand. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. This is the look. Now moving to sari number 12. Sari number 12, another pretty one, another very pretty one. It is also Kashish dye. See the pallu part. This is the pallu part. It's a very nice combination. One pastel shade with pink, with strawberry pink, you can say. This is not gray, not brown. It's a combination color. Very different, very unusual combination. It will be the look. This one is also tasar, and the price is 7800, on which you will get a flat 5% discount. Flat 5% discount. This is the look of the sari. I will show you the blouse piece also. This portion is for blouse piece. Price is 7800, and you will get 5% flat discount. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues, and press the bell icon to get the notification of all my upcoming episodes. This is another one. It's a combination of green with orange. Green with orange, but this is moss green. Absolutely moss green with orange combination. And the orange is also not very bright one. You know, as on tasar, all the colors looks very matte. It's not very bright one, but it's very sober one. This is the look, entire look. And here is the blouse piece. On this blouse piece also you will get, in each and every sari mostly you will get a self print on the saris, Kashish dye. On the both, these all are Kashish dye. See, Kashish print. These all are Kashish print, and the price is 7800. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Now next, number 14. Number 14, almost similar combination, but a little bit different in block and the color combination. See, this is another one. This one is also very pretty. This is Kashish tasar print. All are with natural color. This print has been done with natural colors. Just see. এই কালারগুলো একদম সব ন্যাচারাল কালার দিয়ে ডাই করা হয়, সেই কারণে একটু ডিফারেন্ট কালার কম্বিনেশন. I can show you a different type of color combination, and the prints are really very nice. All are hand block but the color, the process of color is natural color, and the tasar is of premium quality. All are gachi by gachi tasar, and here is the blouse piece. Price is 7800, and you will get a 5% flat discount for all the sarees due to Rath Yatra. Now this is Tasar Ajrak. Tasar Ajrak, another beautiful saree. Just see the color combination. This is pallu part. I will show you the pallu in this way. See the pallu part. This is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. Price is, all are premium quality tasar, all are gachi by gachi tasar, and the price is 8950, on which you will get a flat discount of 5%. Flat discount of 5%. See, this is the block. Just check the block. It's absolutely amazing. Very pretty with yellow and green combination. This is the look. I will show you the draping view, and tasars are very comfortable, as you know. See, it will be the fall, and the price is 8950, on which you will get 5% flat discount. Here is the blouse piece. This printed part is the blouse piece. For colors may slightly differ due to light and camera. For booking, take a screenshot and send it back to my number 9330866384. This is sari number 16. Sari number 16. I will show you. Just check the. This is pallu part. This portion is for pallu, grey color with maroon and black. All are natural color dye. Natural color block. These all are ajrak print, pure ajrak print, যেগুলো বার্মের থেকে হয়ে আসছে। আজরাকের শাড়ি দেখলেই আপনারা বুঝতে পারবেন আজরাকের প্রিন্ট কখনো ইকুয়াল হবে না, মানে একদম বক্সে বক্সে কখনোই যায় না, কারণ এই শাড়িগুলো একবারে রেডি হয় না, অনেকটা লং প্রসেস, ইট টেক্স টাইম, ইটস আ লং প্রসেস অফ প্রিন্টিং, and these all are pure ajrak print. Just check the print. Have a close look so that you can understand the exact block print, what has been done. And these all are pure ajrak print, and the price is 8950, on which you will get a 5% flat discount for today. This is the look of the sari, entire look, and here is the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Another one, number 17. Another one, number 17. It's also a very pretty sari. Just check the block. See, here is the pallu part. This is the pallu part. Charcoal black. This is charcoal black, and see the block. See, just have a look on the entire sari. This is another tasar ajrak print, and the price is 8950 with silk mark certification, and you will get 5% flat discount on all the saris from today's episode due to Rath Yatra. This is the look, and here is the blouse piece. Just check the blouse piece. It will be the print. These all are natural color, pure original ajrak print. Just have a look. This is the entire look. Price is 8950, on which you will get 5% flat discount. Now sari number 18. Sari number 18 is of green color. See, this is the pallu part. Here is the pallu part. This portion is pallu, and it will be the body. This portion will be the body. All are natural color print, ajrak print, original ajrak print. and the price is same 8950 along with silk mark certification. I will show you. This is the block. It's a very unusual block, and the combination is common. Green color, yellow color, these are very common colors for Ajrak print. This will be the entire look of the sari, and here is the blouse piece. Just see the blouse piece. Price is same 8950, on which you will get 5% flat discount. So that's all for today. Requesting you all to subscribe my channel, and for booking please take a screenshot or send it back to my number 9330866384. Thank you.